Hello, your assignment for today is to read through the Bismarck Public Schools Responsible Use Policy. So anytime that we are using a device that is owned by Bismarck Public Schools, or if we're using that device on Bismarck school property, we need to follow this responsible use policy. So it's a good thing for us to know what exactly we're being expected to follow. So today you'll look through this, you'll read through the responsible use policy. We've broken it out into parts, and you're also going to do some highlighting. So anytime you see a word that you do not understand, you're going to highlight it in red. And anytime you see something that seems to be the most important information. So in this document, there are lots and lots of words. Not all of them are as important as others. So which ones are the most important for you as a student? There are going to be different things that are more important to me as an employee. So make sure you're putting what is most important to you in yellow. You need to highlight at least one phrase or sentence on each slide. So there might be more than one thing on the slide that is important, but you need to find at least one. So let's see what that looks like. So I'm looking at my first part. This is under the section scope, and I'm looking for words that I don't know or I don't understand. A lot of people don't know what peripherals is. So you notice when I'm in this screen, looking at my toolbar up here, I don't see anything that's highlighted. That's not until I click text. So when I click in this text box, you'll notice that the toolbar changes to have options for text. So I'll click and drag over peripherals, and then I'm going to go up to the highlight, and because it's a word I do not understand, I'm going to click red. Now I'm looking for something that would be the most important. So one thing that is really important that we understand with this responsible use policy is that it also includes personally owned devices when used on district-owned property. So even though it is my cell phone, if I'm using it on district-owned property, I still need to follow responsible use. So that's pretty important. So I'm going to go up and choose yellow. So continue to go through the slides, selecting what you think is the most important and also words that you do not understand. During our next class, we'll be going through this responsible use policy so that we all understand what it means. Thank you.